So in this session, we'll be learning about how to install the Python, how to execute the Python script statements in the various approaches. So let me start working with what installation of the Python. So ladies and gentlemen, pleasing you, lot of attention is required. So before going to install the Python in your machine, first of all, please make sure what bit operating system is installed in your system. First, please make sure what bit operating system is installed in your machine. Whether it is a 32-bit or 64-bit, what bit operating system is installed in your PC, you need to know first before installing the Python. But how do I know just what bit OS is existed in your machine? Sorry, to ensure what bit operating system is exist in your machine, go to Windows Explorer. You guys already know well Windows Explorer. Hold window key and press E. Hold window key and press E. You will be getting Explorer. In this Explorer, we are requesting you click on right mouse on. Click right mouse button on this PC. You can see this one. Click right mouse button on this PC. Then go to what your friend just properties. Go to the properties. So whenever you click on the properties, you will be getting some system information in front of you, my dear. There you, ladies and gentlemen, requesting you to concentrate this particular thing. So what is this 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor? So ladies and gentlemen, so what is a bit? Now x64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. My system is loaded with 64-bit operating system and x64 based processor. First, before going to install, you need to ensure what bit operating system is existed in your machine. Number one. Number two, visit the browser. Open any browser of your choice. Okay, open any browser of your choice and type something like this: www.python.org/python.org/downloads. So we have to write what your friend just this is a particular URL you have to type it: www.python.org/downloads. And after this, you need to press enter. Well, just here in this case, you are getting something like what your friend downloads. There you need to click on what your friend, there is a something like download is also there, or else directly it is showing you something like download for the latest, download the latest version for Windows. Are showing you, right? If you are really required, that directly you can click on this button. If you are using Windows operating system, and just down automatically it will be download the latest version of the Windows. So latest version of the Python for Windows will be downloaded. If you are really looking for any other operating system, Python for Windows, you can click here. And just if you want to looking for the Unix or Linux, click here. For Mac OS, click here. Any other operating system, click here. So ladies and gentlemen, just I will be going for what you find just looking for Python with a different OS, Python for Windows. You click here or you can click the downloads and Windows. Anything will be fine. Then okay, we'll be clicking here Windows. So when you click on Windows, a lot of releases will be there. The latest release is what you find. The latest release is Python 3.8.3. So just here you will be getting all the things stable release. I am requesting all the participants. It is always recommended to install the stable versions of the softwares. So the stable version is what your friend Python 3.7.8, that is June 27th, 2020. So just now what is my requirement? I don't want Python 3.7.8, but I will be using what your friend Python 3.8.3. So just you can go slowly closing that. If you notice, this is what your friend Python 3.8.3 that is released May 13, 2020. And here is a one small notice. You kindly notice that Python 3.8.3 cannot be used on Windows XP and earlier version. If anybody using Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows Network, older versions if you are using, I'm sorry, my dear friend, this is not for you. And just this is for the people who are really working with what you find Windows XP and advanced, and Windows XP then, advanced versions of Windows. Does not work on Windows XP and earlier versions. So here you need to select what your friend, just please notice that. What is that? Now we need to select what? Yes. So a lot of things are there now. 3.8.3. Just what is you have to select? Windows X64. Your executable installer. You kindly notice that Windows, there is a what your friend, just a Windows x86 64 executable installer. You need to select what? Executable installer. Ladies and gentlemen, 64-bit x86 based processor. Already you've seen. Based on your bit type, you need to select what you find this particular thing. So whenever you click on executable installer, it will just downloading some file to your machine. That's okay. Immediately, when you click on this one, some file is getting downloaded at the bottom of your screen. It is a very small software. No matter, it will be finished less than 2 seconds. Okay, that depends upon your system's capabilities. That will be system configuration I'm speaking about. So and after that, you guys already aware now this just what your friend setup file is just downloaded. We downloaded the setup file, but still Python is not installed yet. So just after that, we are requesting you open your what your friend just downloads folder. Go to your downloads folder. So just what your friend go to the downloads. In the downloads folder, you notice this. So what is that? Just a software we downloaded. Just you can see this is the software we downloaded. Please check it out. Date stamp and the time stamps you have to check that. So just the 1st July 2020, 8:14 p.m. This is what your friend just downloaded. And after that, simple what you have to do, my dear friend, just to click on it twice on it. Just to click on it twice. So just clicking on it twice, immediately it will be showing you. So it is taking some permission for you, like install Python 3.8.3 64-bit. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm personally requesting all the participants. You need to select what your friend add Python 3.8 to path. Why to add this Python 3.8 to the path, I will be explain later part of time, but requesting you, please select this option. After selecting this particular option, add Python 3.8 to path, and directly click on what your friend, click on install now. Click on what your friend, install now. Just it may take several seconds of time. Then you are getting some alert and click OK, click yes. And after that, what your friend, just it will take in several seconds of time, my dear. After taking several seconds of time, your system will be loaded with what your friend, just a Python. That's enough, very simple. Just you need to what your friend, just download the setup file. After downloading the setup file, open the downloads folder and click on the downloaded file. Then automatically the software is going to be installed in your machine. But this process may take several seconds of time. That depends upon the configurations of your system. It will be taking 2 minutes to 5 minutes max. So right, okay, once the setup is done, then we have to start working with what EFN just Python. But sir, how to ensure the Python is really installed in your machine or not, that I want to show you now. Wait a moment, very simple. After installation process done, you will be getting one message, setup was successful. You will be getting one message, setup was successful. Till that, you have to wait for a while. So once the setup is done, just once setup is successful, then I will show you how to ensure whether this Python is installed or not. You have seen, my dear friend, setup was successful. Yes. Now your system is loaded with what, dear friend, absolutely Python. But sir, I want to ensure really the Python is installed in my machine or not. Yes. After that, what you have to do, my dear friend, okay, what you have to do is just to go to what your friend, just a simple type, just a tap on what your friend window button. Please type what your friend, just a Python. When you type Python, you will be getting all these things at right side. Yes, okay. Now these are the things you will be getting, my dear friend. Soon after the Python, you will be getting all these things. Python IDLE, Python just what shell, Python module document, just a Python manual, like this. This all the stuff will be available. Ensure that if it is there, your system is ready. Okay, your system is ready with Python. Once again, I want to tell you, after installing the Python, please press the window key from your keyboard and type directly Python. So just you will be getting these icons here. So this is what your friend, these are the Python software is installed in your machine very successfully. But here I want to give one more clue for you. Just to directly go to your command prompt. I hope you guys already aware how to go to the command prompt. Just I am requesting you window plus R. There you type what your friend CMD and click on OK. You'll be going to what your friend command prompt. Window R means what your friend press the window key and press R. You'll be getting run dialog box. Okay, you'll be getting run dialog box. There you have to type what your friend CMD and what your friend press enter. After that, here you please type the Python and press enter. You'll be getting the Python prompt like this. Now, seeing that now your prompt is changed. So this is what your friend Python 3.83 is what your friend got installed. This way, we can ensure the Python is installed or not. I hope you got the point, ladies and gentlemen. That's all. That's all. That is what your friend, the discussion about how to install the Python, how to ensure the system is loaded with the Python or not.